Hi guys, how are you? So nowadays, the TV is talking about a bull run. Our Prime Minister has been talking about a bull run. You and I are talking about a bull run. So how many of us have actually made full benefit out of this bull run? How many of us have actually made profits in proportion to the index risen? Let's face it. Everybody, including you and me, everybody knows that we are in a bull run. We all are optimistic, we all are enthusiastic, and we are in a bull run. If you see the markets in the past 6 months have gone altogether to a different level. But how many of us have actually survived the bull run? Let me repeat. The real question is that how many of us have actually survived the bull run? A very few. So the trick is not how to identify a bull run, because everyone can do that. The trick is to know how to survive a bull run. Let me explain you by giving you an example. I live in Delhi, India, right? And I want to go to Mussoorie. Now, the distance between Delhi to Mussoorie is about 200 miles. Now, this 200-mile journey, it is my bull run. This is my bull run. And in order to reach my destination, it's the journey which counts. Let me explain you further. Now, while completing my 200-mile journey from Delhi to Mussoorie by car, I will have several bumps along the road. My car will break down. I may run out of gas. My tires may deflate. I may hit into a rainfall. I may have problems with police. In a bull run, during a bull run, I may hear about negative GDP, I may hear about increase in interest rate, I may hear about bad political news, I may hear about bad foreign investments, I may hear about bad news on a whole, or I may have to face a small correction. So, but we have to complete the journey. We will get several bumps along the way, but in order to get the full benefit of a bull run, we have to see the journey through. So, let me explain you by another example. In my 200-mile journey, right, I've completed 80 miles and my car breaks down and stops. Now what will we do? Will we say, oh no, our car has broken down, let's go back? Or will we get a car fixed and complete the journey? Of course, we will get a car fixed and complete the journey, reach the destination. But in a bull run, as soon as we see a small correction, a little hiccup, we grab the few points we've earned, we put them in our pockets and just run away. As soon as a little problem comes, as soon as a little bad news or small bad news comes, we just sell everything. Is a few profits in a bull run. Then what's the point of the bull run altogether? The bull run will test your patience many times by the bumps we just talked about. We will fall prey to small corrections when these corrections take over our good senses, when fear takes over. So the key to survive a bull run is just to have conviction, determination and patience. That is it. Now I agree that it is very easier said than done, but this is the key. That is the key. And to get conviction, patience and determination, your study has to be solid in your company, in your industry, in your country. And if your study is solid and you know it in your heart that it is your bull run, and you believe in your study that it is a bull run, just have patience and the world will be at your feet. So to conclude, what share to buy and at what price to buy is important. But what is even more important is what time to buy. But what is at most importance is to know how to survive a bull run. What is at most importance is to know how to survive a bull run. Thank you, and I'll catch you next time.